And we're back to learning Photoshop in a year, day 198. Let me show you the Paint Daubs filter. It kind of creates a paint effect and simulates certain brushes. You can, for example, use it to create an impressionist look. You can find it under Filter, Filter Gallery. It's under Artistic, the 7th option. To adjust it, we have two sliders and a drop down, the brush size and the sharpness. First, the brush size. It controls the size of the brush, which is used to apply the effect. So it basically determines the strokes, how large or how small they are. We have the sharpness, is the level of detail and clarity. So the lower you go, the less you're gonna have. Higher you go, the more you're gonna have. And via the drop down, you can select the brush type. Usually you want to set that to simple, but you can also use light rough, dark rough, white sharp, white blurry, and sparkle. For this typical impressionist effect, you want to go to a lower brush size, a higher sharpness, and then use simple as brush type. And this usually washes it out a little bit, makes it blurry, and gives you this typical look. And this is how you can use the Paint Daubs filter in Photoshop. Hope this video was helpful, thank you for watching, and I'll see you next time.